when we have date issue. There's many times that your date refuse to work. You try everything you can do, and the date refuse to work. When we have that, how do we resolve this issue? That is exactly what we'll be doing now in this part of the training. Now, there are various. Number one, the most important tool that can help you solve about 90% of your problem with date is what is called text to column. Text to column. The text to column can help you to solve so many problems that have to do with your date. Let's quickly see to that and see how this column can be helpful. Look at these dates that we have here. Please look at these dates very well. You can see that these dates, as human beings, we understand these dates. All these things, we understand it very well. But to Excel, these are not dates, really. Sometimes, depending on the timing, the kind of date on your system, some Excel might understand some, and they can misinterpret some. How do we explain these dates to Excel? That is what we're going to learn under text to column. How do we explain these dates to Microsoft Excel? Now, I'm going to select these dates now. Let me copy these dates. Control C. Now we paste it here. Let's look at the date here. We have the date in this format. Let's see what we're going to do with it. To get the text to column, we have data tab. Under we have home tab, insert tab, quick layout, and you have a data tab. Under data tab, we have this option. Under data tool, we have text to column. We have text to column. So just click on it, click on next, and then click on next. But when we do this, there's something we should note. Let's look at our date very well. There's something that is common to this date. We have month, we have day, and we have year, which is MDY. So this is the only thing you need to understand about your date. You must understand your date. The date here is what? Is MDY. MDY. So once you understand this date, if you look at this date, we have D and Y. Day, year, day, month, year. If you like, press Ctrl 1 and format this date. Let's see what happens. Let's format this date and click OK. You can see that Excel does not see them as a date. If I use, because my system is using this kind of date, DMY, let's try it and see what we have there. Date and press this. You try to format it. You can see that I think you get this one. Oh, wow. Can you see what happened? So Excel reduced to understand everything here. So when you have this kind of issue, how do we resolve it? We need to explain this date to Excel, and Excel will give us a correct date. What do we do? Select this date, then go to Data tab, text to column, click on Next, and Next. Now, under this column data format, there's something here called date. Now, when you click on date, you now explain the date to Excel. What kind of date do we have here? We have M, D, Y. Select it and click on what? Finish. Now, all the date issues are gone. All the date issues are what? Are gone. Look at this date here. This is D and Y. This is D and Y. What do we do? Go to Data tab, Select your column, then click on next and next. Then you come here to display DMY. My date is what? DMY. Then click on finish. Now, they now understand that this are dates, and you understand how to format it very well. Look at this, we have FDY. If you click on the control one and you format it as a date, I'm sure it's going to give you issues. You see, it's an issue because Excel does not understand this kind of date by default. What do we do? Just go to panic, go to the tab, test the column, click on next and next. This is why. This is let's check it quickly. We have Y, month, and date, YMD, right? Just come back here, YMD, then it's finished. Now, Excel has interpreted it correctly. That is how you can quickly clean your data while working with Excel. Any question on text to column? Any question on text to column? You will get it. You will get the recording in your email as soon as we finish the class. This all those who registered will get in their email, get all the record. And I've broken it down to a small recording. So the recording will not be too long for you to download and play with. Then there is what is called, so that is how you format your data. What you need to do is to understand it. When you have different formats, you have to group them. Those ones that have the format, DMY, because the better. Those who have, but if you look at this, you can see that we have different formats here. But they still follow the same rule, MDY. That is why we're able to use it for all of them. If you have this one like this under this,